Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Greta Marketplace inside Greta. After you log in, you can create a template or a component by simply giving a prompt. For example, here I created a Build Trust component with social proof. Once the component is created, go to the top right corner where you will see the Publish and Lock button. Click on it. When you click Lock, the locking process will start. The component will automatically get deployed, saved, and locked. After the component is locked, go back to Greta. On the top navigation bar, you will see the Marketplace option. Click on it. On the right side, you will see Creators Workspace. Click on Creators Workspace and go to the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can upload your first template or a UI component that you created. In this example, I created a UI component, so I will add it, choose the component, add an image for the component. Then add the component name that you want to appear in the Greta Marketplace. Next, add a short description explaining what the component or template does. After that, add prerequisites if there are any requirements needed to use the component. Then select the category that the component or template belongs to. Next, choose the pricing category, whether the component is free or paid. If it is paid, you can enter the amount that you want to charge for the component or template. Once you submit it, the component goes into a review process. The Greta team will review the submission. You will be able to see the status in your dashboard. If the component is approved, it will be published in the marketplace. If it is not approved, it will be rejected, and the status will be shown in the dashboard. After it is published, you can view the component in the Greta Marketplace. Anyone can open the component, preview it, like it, get it for free or purchase it, and also add reviews and comments for the component or template that you created.